Before you decide to go shopping for a knock sensor after getting any of the codes ranging from P0324 to P0334 on your scan tool, it's a good idea to first test the sensor on the bench to confirm if it's really bad. If you don't know what a knock sensor is, consider watching the video linked to on your screen now. If you are curious about the exact location of this sensor on the 6th Gen Honda Accord, consider also taking a look at the video above. Let's get to business. To test the knock sensor on the bench, vary your multimeter to ohms to check the sensor's resistance. Because the F23A Honda engine this sensor is for uses a one-wire non-resonant piezoelectric sensor, it does not have an internal resistor. This is why placing the positive probe of the multimeter on the single signal wire and the negative probe on the body of the sensor should read open loop. If you have a resistance value or continuity for that matter, it's one of two things. The sensor is a cheap aftermarket affair, or its internal piezoelectric crystal is shorted, meaning the sensor is faulty and must be changed. A more reliable way of testing, of course, is simply switching the multimeter to AC voltage, because the knock sensor generates its own small AC voltage signal, acting like a microphone when it detects physical vibrations from engine knocking. You can easily replicate the scenario by tapping that causes vibrations and increases in intensity, like so. A good sensor will have incremental readings as the vibrations go up and down, corresponding to the tap intensity. If no readings happen or the sensor doesn't respond to vibrations on the multimeter reading, it's bad and must be changed. Why pay a mechanic when you can simply do it yourself? This isn't goodbye. Catch ya in the next one.